I could, if I could tell I was very close.
Yeah.
If I couldn't have made it, I could have taken the stick back out and pulled this end out. I probably would have had enough room. But anyway, we got it.
Yeah.
It's just enough. Nope. There's nothing inside. It's all digital. The robots know I'm here. In the old days, you signed with your finger, but now you can do whatever you want with your finger because you don't have to sign. All right. I'll text my business info in case you want to send me a Venmo for my careful work and whatnot.